When does your day begin? Is it from the time you enter your office? Or when you put on your headphones to start off a day of music? Or perhaps during a peaceful night when you've made the decision to fight till dawn? Oh no, you're on the battlefield to pass the level you haven't been able to reach in 3 days. Wherever you are, whatever the conditions, for this, we've built the system that will follow your needs and provide a variety of virtual experiences. We bring you into the office to get a feeling for your design preferences and to see if they meet your expectations. If not, no problem. According to your environmental preferences, you can design the feel that is right for you. Find the right setting, choose the best style, select the exact material, and evaluate every detail to find the features that work best for you. Welcome to the Fuh Shyan Concept Factory. In order to give you the most abundant support, you can access our complete product line to plan your comprehensive user experience. In order to give you all-inclusive support, we have assembled a multi-talented program for design, processing, assembly, and testing. Through Fuh Shyan's step-by-step, one-stop service experience, we bring you complete and comprehensive support.